So all of these lines are going to go down the hole, okay? Once I get them down in there, we're going to slide them through this, and it's going to go like this. First the rubber ring, then the steel ring, and then the attacher. So that's how it's going to set, like that. And then I'm going to tighten it all the way up underneath here, from underneath. And this is a whole different system than the other one. I've got to put all of these through here once I've pushed it down in there. So I'm going to put these right now under here, so they're ready to go. And then we can go ahead and slide that bad boy in. Just going to grab her. We're going to put these down in through here, just like that. Get them all in, all the way down, and bam. There we go. All right, so first we want to put the rubber one on, right? And we got to pull it all the way through. Just like that. And we're going to put the steel one on. We're going to push this stuff all the way through, just like that. Now, we're going to put these through here. Smush them all the way down. And bam. There we go. So take a look. Now it's ready to go up and screw on there. And then I just got to pull all this stuff through. All right, let's do it. And just going to slide it up. And once I get it up there, and I think I got it. I think we're tightening it. It's going to take a while. But I'm getting there. Oh yeah. Okay, that's on there. All right, let's go check it upstairs and see how we're doing. See what's going on there. Okay, so there we are. So this is going to be out here, and this has to be here, like that. Feels pretty good. Kind of like it. I think it's going to work. We got to put the weight on, and we got to do some more stuff. But that looks pretty darn good. You know, looks pretty good so far. All right, let's finish her up. Next, we got to put some plumber's tape on that and connect our hot cold water lines. Okay, so let's get her on there. Got a nice cut on it. Reach in, slide it, bring her around. I think that should do it. That's some good tape. That's some pretty good taping. And deep. There we go. There we go. Whoops. Okay, I think that should do it. All right, so this is the cold, this is the hot. Cold is blue, so we gotta get the blue one on there. Blue. All right, we gotta start it. I think we do. Let's see if we can get the red on. We get them started. And then I can put the wrench on them, okay? So always remember, cold is to the right, hot is to the left. Right, now we just gotta tighten them down. Let's try this.
So you put the wet on?
The weight on.
It's still dripping.
Yeah, I know. That's not like that. Maybe when I open it up, it won't. All right, so we got the hot water we're tightening down. Get her tight. All right. See how this one is. All right. I think we're going to be good. Of course, I won't know until I turn the water on. But I don't see the drip coming anymore. The weight goes right where this yellow thing is. All right, so I just got to pop this open. Ow, mother fudge cakes. There it is. That hurt. That pinched the shizzles out of me. So now I got to set this on there. So let's spin around. All right, now I'm just going to go right like this. See that? And I'm going to close this right there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We got a weight on there. So I'm going to pull this like that. And it comes down. So we got the weight on. We got the cold and hot water on. But we're gonna go ahead and put the garbage disposal on now. All right, so this is gonna come up here, get it on there. Okay, I think we got it on there. Yeah, that's it. I do believe we got it, don't we? Should be it, right? Okay, so that's there. To get this on here. I wonder if I need to tighten that more. There we go. Let's loosen this a little bit so we can get it on there. I think that's good, right? Let's tighten her down. We'll find out if I got this thing on right. You want it tight. You know what I mean? Right, that should do it. Let's put this way. Shove this under here. Huh. There we go. that's the ticket. And then we get it right about there. And now I can lock that down tight. And that should work. I hope. Find out. That should be good. Try this one here. I think that should do it. Tighten that, baby. This one's already on. And of course, don't forget to open your two valves, your cold water and your hot water valve. Otherwise, you won't have any water coming through. All right, all I gotta do now is I think plug it in. I don't remember. I think it goes over here, or maybe here. Wait, am I going? Hang on. Is it off? All right, so it goes here.
Honey,
Damn it.
I'm confused because
Everything's been put back together. Looks pretty good.
trash here.
Turn the water on. It works. Fantastic. Bam. Bob's your uncle. If you like this video, my girlfriend loves this, her new faucet. I think. I don't know. Maybe not.